take the power back. Yeah, we gotta take the power back. Come on, come on. We gotta take the power back. The present curriculum, I put my fist in them. Eurocentric, every last one of them. See right through the red, white, and blue disguise. Lecture up, puncture the structure of life. Dove in our minds and attempted to hold us back. We've got to take it back. Holes in the spirit causing tears and fears. One-sided stories for years and years and years. I'm inferior, who's inferior? Yeah, you need to check the interior of the system. Who cares about only one culture and that? So we gotta take the power back. We gotta take the power back. Come on, come on. We gotta take the power back. Hey, yo, check. We're gonna have to break it down. Oh, shit. In front of the class, but the lesson plan he can't recall. The students' eyes don't perceive the lies bouncing off every fucking wall. Closure is well kept. I guess he fears playing the fool. The place that students sit and listen to that bullshit that he learned in school. Europe ain't my rope to swing on. Can't run a fake from it. Yeah, we hang from it. Gotta get it, weatherman. Like a motherfucking weatherman. Expose and close the doors on those who try to strangle and mangle the truth. Cause the circle of hatred continues unless we react. We gotta take the power back. Yeah, we gotta take the power back. Come on, come on. Yeah, we gotta take the power back. So check this out. Yeah. Do you ready, man? Come on. Inside in a raised fist, a witness to the slit wrist as we move into 92. Still in a room without a view. You got to know, you got to know. And when I say go, 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 amp up and amplify, defy. I'm a brother with a furious mind, action must be taken. We don't need the key, we'll break it. Something must be done about vengeance or badge and a gun. So rip the mic, rip the stage, rip the system. I was born to raise against no fist in your face in a place and I'm about to stop clearly. So you're